Okay, so we are asked to find the restricted values of the following function. So the restricted values is whenever you factor the denominator and you set those factors equal to 0 to solve for x. So let's go ahead and factor our denominator. So we can actually take out a 2x, and that will leave us with x minus 4. So our denominator is factored. We set each factor equal to 0 and then solve for x. So we have 2x equals 0. We're going to divide by 2. So x is going to equal 0. X minus 4, add 4 to both sides. You will get x is equal to 4. So these are your restricted values. These numbers, whenever you plug them into that equation, they will make the denominator 0, and we cannot divide by 0. Okay, so in this case, we can say x cannot equal 0, and it cannot equal 4.